all, in this video, we will see how to assign net classes and change the thickness of particular traces at once on a PCB. Like for example, let us assume we want to carry a current up to 1 amp on this 3.3 volt net. Okay, and the thickness required is around approximately 0.5 mm. Okay, so in this case there will be several 3.3 nets across the board, right? Now if you want to change all of them, okay, and you want to have a uniform thickness for this particular net, then you have to assign it to net classes. So where can we assign these net classes is go to file, okay, go to board setup, let it open. Okay, so this is board setup. Okay, in this you have net classes. Okay, so in these net classes you define the default parameter, the ground, and then the power related net classes. Okay, now we can assign a particular net to this net class. Okay, so example, now we have plus 3.3 volts. So here at the bottom you have plus, click on plus. Okay, the pattern is the net name 3.3 volt. Okay, then you have to assign the net class to power and then click OK. Now what we did is we have assigned the 3.3 volts in net class as, and it is actually the net class is mapped to specific parameters which we have defined. Specific parameters meant like what is the thickness, what is the spacing, all these have been defined in that board setup. Okay, now if you want to update this, go to edit, okay, and then edit track and via properties. Okay, once you go here, you have to actually set to net class values. Okay, now once you click OK, you can see here the thickness has changed, and across the board now we will follow the 0.5 mm thickness. Like for example, if you click, you can see here this is 0.5 mm. So this is how you can set the net classes and then edit the nets, specific nets across the entire boards at a time.